Alright, today we're going to be installing the Wi-Fi antenna for Apple CarPlay on this G01. First of all, you'll need this part right here, which is a BMW authentic part here. The part number is 61119278133. That's the part that you're going to need to install in order to get the Apple CarPlay range better. The tools that you're going to need is a T20 Torx driver and a handy set of panel removal tools. Okay, so let's get started. This is the unit here that we're going to be working on right now. This particular vehicle is a X3 M40i. This one has the NBT Evo unit. All right, so first we're going to use the panel popper here and the panel removal tool actually. And we're gonna get a section somewhere along this main piece here, and we're gonna basically just pry it out behind it slowly, gently. Don't want to break any tabs or anything. You want to get behind there and pop this center piece out around the vents, and then you want to slowly pull it back a little bit, just enough to get to disconnect all the sensors that you have back here. So you just want to pull it out there and disconnect these right here. And a lot of them, you just tug on them slightly and they'll remove. This one up here, hold on, give me a second here. There we go. And then we got one more here. Take your time and pull, come on. Really tight. There we go. So again, it was this one here, that one there, and then the one for your start button. Just remove it and you'll see the tabs here where it pulled out from. So you can set that aside. So this particular vehicle is a 2018 BMW X3 M40i. This one has the NBT Evo unit. So we're gonna go ahead and use the panel remover kit after we took out that section now, and we're gonna get underneath here with the panel removal tool, and we're going to just gently pry up on this, and you'll see when you pry up on it that it unlocks these upper pieces from this here, and these 4 pieces actually clip into these sections here. So once you get that off there, you want to unplug these 2 plugs here. Just squeeze on them. This one, squeeze on that and remove that. There you go, those 2 plugs there. And you want to set this aside. Okay, so next you're going to be using the T20 driver, and you want to remove the screws here to get this actually out so you can get to the back of it to where the wire harness is. Okay, 2 T20s set, so you'll pull out your unit here. There you have it. Again, NBT Evo head unit. All right, and then you'll see here where you'll be plugging in your Wi-Fi adapter, this purple connector right here. Okay, so let's do that. Let's grab our unit here. All right, so I have my adapter here. I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in here. Just gonna see, turn this around, and you line up the pointy parts of it and snap it in right there. There it is, nice and secure. Okay, and then you'll grab your, actually you might want to spin this around so that way you can slide in and pull the cable out this way. This is your cable that's going to extend your range here. And then you want to just run this throughout the vehicle as far as you can, just to get it through there. All right, and then you just guide this back in. Make sure that your two plugs here are out so you can plug them back in. Slide the unit back into place. Perfect. Put back your two T30s in. I mean, sorry, 220s in. Right there. Right there. Be careful not to drop them while putting them in there. Just go ahead and tighten those back up. And what you're doing here is just basically doing everything in reverse. Everything that you did, you're just doing just to put everything back together. Climate control. That back in there. This one back in here. Okay. Again, when putting this back in, be sure that you get the harness down in there and that you slide this underneath these two sections here before pressing down on the bottom. And there you go. Okay. They're locked into place. Nice. And then you get your other piece here that has the vents and the push start right here. And again, you're just plugging everything back in there. Final one here. Just confirm that everything is, that'll slide out there, but confirm everything's working as it should. And then got everything down in there. Make sure that your tabs are lined up. Just go ahead and push them in. And there you have it. Everything's back together. All right. Just time to check it out, make sure everything is working. But thank you guys for watching. That's how you do it. Again, this is a 2018 BMW X3 M40, and this is the NBT Evo unit. And we just installed the Wi-Fi adapter. Good luck.